Our aim is to automate the process of waste segregation, which is currently done by hands. This makes the workers susceptible to many diseases and infections. Although in some places, proper masks and gloves are provided to the workers, but in many places, mostly in India, they are not even given these basic amenities. Here the goal is to make existing waste segregation system automated and efficient by using CNN, which stands for Convolutional Neural Network, image processing, IoT, sensors and several other technologies. This is the basic blueprint model of our actual model. Here, the raw unprocessed waste when given to the segregator is first exposed to vibrations and heat, which collectively remove the moisture from the garbage, separates and fragments clustered waste and create a discrete layer of dry, distinguishable waste which can be further processed. In second stage, we expose the waste to magnetic fields which separates the electronic and metallic waste, further giving a more discrete waste. We have implemented various machine learning algorithms like CNN and image processing which separates clearly visible metallic waste, and other sensors are also used for separation. The data collected is sent and stored to the cloud. This data can be visualized using the Android app and web application. To choose and identify methods of disposing the collected waste, machine learning in this stage is applied in and for only the electronic and metallic waste in a generic way. In the next stage, more specific and particular machine learning algorithms are applied and more advanced sensors are used to further identify the objects, and this data is used to separate the waste into various categories like recyclable, biomedical, organic and non-biodegradable waste. The waste that is still not identified is sent for human inspection. This is the command prompt. We'll demonstrate our model through this CMD because the model runs on backend and hence it doesn't require any GUI. Let's start the demonstration. The model name is classify.py. We have trained this model using a dataset of 5000 photographs which include various waste images. For this demonstration, the image file is stored in the examples directory and this image file is provided to the trained model which will identify the type of waste. This will take some time. This is the output, and in this output we can see that it has identified the waste as biodegradable cardboard with 100% accuracy. It has also displayed some similar types of waste with their accuracies, which in this case is 0%.